this video have been sped up to save you time. Please use that extra time to click the subscribe button. Thanks. First, find yourself an old exercise shirt. Then go to Google and find yourself a template that you can import into Word. Adjust the size and print it out. Cut out your template and then cut a section of material off your shirt so it's easier to work with. This is the only special tool you'll need. It's a soldering iron. You can pick one up for about $7. And all I did was hammer the tip flat so that it would cut through the material cleanly. Make sure you protect your surface. I'm using a scrap piece of wood. If you cut through the material too fast, the material will fuse back together as it lays back down. And so what you want to do is go nice and slow so that the material can separate as you move the knife along. Most of what you cut out should be able to pull away nice and easy. If you have anything that's stuck, like we do right there, we're simply going to go back with the soldering iron and separate it very carefully. And the paper should also pull away. There might be spots where it's stuck together. You just want to pull it away, almost like you're pulling a sticker off of a package. You want to pull it the right way so that it doesn't tear apart. Alright, now that we have our two pieces, we need to fuse them together. We'll match up our two pieces, making sure that all the edges align. You especially want to pay attention to the piece that's going to go over the bridge of your nose, because that's going to be the most visible. Now I'm going to take a cereal bowl, and I'm going to place it right along the edge of that seam. Now for my first pass, I'm going to go nice and slow, because I want the material to separate. Maintaining pressure on the bowl helps keep those layers together so that they fuse. For my second pass, I'm going to run the soldering iron along the edge and reinforce that seam. Alright, now we want to check to make sure that everything fused together. Looks like for the most part we're good, except for right here at the bottom. We have a little hole. So all I'm going to do is take my bowl, put it back over that little spot, and then I'm going to go over it with the soldering iron so that I can fuse it together. And I'm canting the soldering iron just a little bit so that it goes underneath that edge of the bowl. Now if you have any little fray pieces, just go ahead and cut them off with a pair of scissors. Alright, let's give this a try. So this mask is going to have a plasticky kind of seam going down the middle. And if that bothers you, you can simply take it off and flip it around. It won't look as nice, but it will be more comfortable.